Okay, let's continue daily routine number 2, second half. Okay, now this time you are adding the time in the sentences. Okay, so timeに object を and verb must is the word order. I eat breakfast at 8. So this one is 私は8時に朝ごはんを食べます。8時に朝ごはんを食べます。How about this one? I listen to the music at 11:15 a.m. Can you write in Japanese? This one is 僕は午前11時15分に音楽を聴きます。午前11時15分に音楽を聴きます。Right, let's practice. And please copy and translate the sentences into English. Number 1. 12時半に日本語を勉強します。12時半に日本語を勉強します。Number 2. 午前2時に水泳をします。午前2時に水泳をします。3. 午後9時半にテレビを見ます。午後9時半にテレビを見ます。Please pause the video here and write them down into your notebook. Okay, the answers are okay, number 1, I study Japanese at 12:30. Number 2, I do swimming at 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Wow. Okay. I watch TV at 9:30 p.m. Okay. Did you get it? Alright. Now another one. Now this time translate into Japanese, please. Number 1, I eat lunch at 1:20 p.m. Number 2, I listen to the music at 3:35 p.m. Number 3, I play tennis at 11:40 a.m. Please pause and write the sentences down into your book. Okay. The answers are number 1, 私は午後1時20分に昼ごはんを食べます。Okay. Number 2, 僕は3時35分に音楽を聴きます。Number 3, 私は午前11時40分にテニスをします。Okay? So, time に object を verb must. This is the word order. Next one. You are going to talk about, say the sentence like, I play with the dog, or I study with my friend, or those kind of stuff. Okay? と means with and 一緒に together. と somebody と一緒に verb must. Usually we have 一緒に in the sentence. Sometimes we don't, but let's see. Okay? First one, 私は犬と遊びます。I play with my dog. 僕は友達と一緒に勉強します。I study with my friend together. I study with my friend together. Okay. So, okay, let's practice a little bit more. 私は友達と映画を見ます。What does this mean? I watch a movie with my friend. Okay, what does this mean? 僕は美穂さんと本を読みます。美穂 is one of the girl's name. Okay, 僕は美穂さんと本を読みます。I read a book with 美穂。私はケン君と一緒に水泳をします。What does this mean? I do swimming with Ken together. Okay. Now, 私は is in a blanket. So these are, we don't have to say it, but you can say it. Okay. So, first sentence, 友達と映画を見ます。Totally fine. Or 私は友達と映画を見ます is totally fine too. If it's obviously you're talking about yourself, sometimes you don't have to say 私は or 僕は in the sentence. Okay, now adding a time into the sentence. Okay, please write these sentences in Japanese. Number 1, I watch a movie with my dog at 11 a.m. Number 2, I study science with my friend together at 5:50 p.m. Now please pause the video and write them down, please. Okay, the answers are 私は犬と午前11時に映画を見ます。Number 2、僕は友達と一緒に理科を勉強します。Okay. Did you get it? Right. Okay. So I want to, okay. Yep. So this is the end of the video. Now, did you see how long sentence you can write now? Okay. So, yeah, if you find it a bit challenging, please practice. Okay. This is the first basic sentences you are going to use for the rest of the year. Okay. If you get it, then it's going to be easier for the rest of the year. Okay. So make sure you know how to make these kind of sentences. Okay. Now, practice. Please read it out course book unit 7, page 130 to 131. I will put the scan. I will scan the book and put it into the Google Classroom soon. Okay. Thank you. 頑張ってね。Okay.